Looking at the situation in Nigeria, right now, I'm sure, coming here, I'm sure you saw the fill queues and all of that, right now in Nigeria, and obviously households and businesses are struggling, at this point, because even as we speak, you can't get that much, you're not getting that much power, talking about electricity. How is renewable energy, able to solve this cost problem? Because now people are paying so much, to buy PMS, and obviously you have to fuel your generators for your business and your household. So, is renewable energy bridging this gap anyway right now, with the cost implication?
So when we say cost implication, is actually relative, because renewable energy is a long-term solution. When you have a solar panel, the lifespan is between 50 to 100 years, which is a century. And you have an appliance that can generate power for you for the next 25 to 30 years. Obviously, the initial capital outlay might be a little bit high as to getting your fuel per liter at the filling station. So that's why we need governments. That's why we see at COP27, the UN Secretary General precisely said that he needs the European economy to come into Africa and support this plan to ease the financial burden on the manufacturers, the entrepreneurs, and to allow us also reach out to our consumers and allow spread payments or consumption, pay by consumption, have renewable energy grids that have their own prepaid meters. So these solutions is how we can get there. However, it's through finance and through government. You can see in California, they try to ensure that they roll out, there are about 80% electrical cars by 2030, 2040, and they're offering tax incentives as high as $5,000, $7,000, $10,000 if you drop down your fossil fuel car and you switch to an electric car. So renewable energy actually needs financial support.
Because that means in the short term it's still quite, expensive.
It's a long-term decision.
Okay.
You're getting something that can generate power for you for 30 years as opposed to spending. We can look as far as someone using a small generator now in this fuel scarcity. In a year, you'll probably be averaging around 500,000 to +1 million on fuel.
And we still have the diesel issue.
Yes, and you're not even talking about the cost of servicing, cost of maintenance, or cost of acquisition. But when you have a renewable energy solution that might cost you what that would take you for 2-3 years, you'd see that in the long run, over a decade, you saved yourself some money.